Hi folks, Bruce Clark. Solar Slave, formerly compact solar hot water heaters. I've got a Coil model, non-pressure solar hot water heater with thermosiphon tubes, not the heat pipes. I do not recommend those. I want to show you the thermosiphon principle within this. So I'm going to have to put the camera down into the tank and deposit the food dye so you can see, and hopefully this picture will come out. You can see how the little particles are floating around in there. Yeah. I hope this picture will come out good. You see it will flow down the bottom of the tube and then back up and circulate throughout. I filled this up this morning with cold water. It's about 30 degrees out. And then you can see how active that really gets.